All right then. Hello people. I'm just so much tired of working on this project, springtails.in, where we have different campaigns running. Mostly we have generic search campaigns, then we have a PMAX campaign, we have a shopping campaign. Most of the campaigns are generating traffic on these products. But today, because the generic campaigns and these category campaigns are really not performing, I have decided to launch a product campaign. So in product campaign, we have to promote products rather than promoting the entire website or even promoting the different categories. So I really have to choose one single product from these list of products, either from necklace or from earrings, and then put this product in a search campaign. So it's all about, first of all, deciding the product, then finding the keywords for the product, then or launching a campaign with with keywords and the ad copy. But how the hell we start? How the hell we decide this, which product to promote? If I go to all products, we have these products available. So how can we promote a product via search campaign? Now I'm just thinking of going with one single product. We don't have all the products to promote, but yeah, it's all about which product do we choose. We have this product, we have other products as well. And by the way, can we promote products on Google through a search campaign if we don't have the search volumes for it? If people are not searching for it? So you should know that search volume is a very, heavy requirement to start any campaign in Google. So if we are planning of running any campaign for this platform, we really have to check the search volume first. Let's say if I think about starting the campaign with this product, I would really have to go to Google. Then I have to get into keywords planner tool from tools perhaps. In the keyword planner tool for India, I have to choose if people are really searching this product, which is rose gold angel wing pendant chain. I'm going to type in 2 3 base keywords for it: wings, pendant, chain. And then if I click on Google, then you can see nobody is even searching this product, which means we barely have a search volume for this product. The average monthly searches for rose gold angel wing pendant chain is only and only 50. Very low search volume. Now, because we don't have any searches for this product, we can't even promote this product via a search campaign. I mean, technically we can definitely run the campaign, but people won't be searching, so we won't be getting traffic for this product at least. So we have to think about choosing another product. Let's say I go with silver birthstone pendant with chain. Let's see if people are searching for this product. And here also, oh my god, no search volume. So we can't again run the campaign for this product. Now I really have to think about going through. Okay, let's say I go through this product, then perhaps this product, then this oval green crystal pendant, this Korean studded cross pearl, and this one seems also attractive. Cuff earring, and last one could be trendy gold plated earring. Okay, gold plated earring is generic. It's not even this product name, but okay, butterfly pendant with necklace. Butterfly pendant necklace with earrings. Let me check if people are searching for this one or not. So I go to Google, I click on this search bar. Oh my god, nobody's searching for this. butterfly pendant necklace with earring. Okay, let me go with another term. What if I go only with butterfly pendant necklace? So if I click on get results, this time we still have some good search volume for butterfly pendant necklace. I also want to check what people are promoting for butterfly pendant necklace. Okay, so when someone types in butterfly pendant necklace, companies are promoting these products, and our product, this one, yeah, seems pretty okay. So I guess I can promote this product. It looks quite attractive. This is one. The product is also having pretty okay search volume, not a great search volume, but we still have 320 people who are searching for butterfly pendant necklace, then diamond butterfly necklace, silver butterfly necklace, pretty good search volume. So this is fine. This could be one of the product butterfly pendant necklace. This is decided. Then let's look into artificial pearl necklace. I want to see what Google is saying. Artificial pearl necklace. These are the type of pearl necklaces. Okay. Or what if I just type pearl necklace? Pearl necklace. Again, we still have pretty good re results for pearl necklace, but here companies are majorly showing the expensive pearl necklace. But in any which ways, if I go to Google, again, Google Keywords Planner tool, search in artificial pearl necklace and pearl necklace, PEARL, pearl necklace, click on get results. Here also, oh my god, we have amazing search volume for pearl necklace, comparatively lesser search volume for artificial pearl necklace. But yeah, we have good search volume. If I go for oval green crystal pendant necklace, okay, this third product, look for the search volume of this one. Then if I click on get results, here, oops, very poor search volume. Now let's say only type green crystal necklace. Okay, canceling this one. Green crystal necklace, click on enter. So here we still have pretty good search volume. Green crystal necklace, 480 people. I type in green crystal necklace. Even though it's slightly different, but yeah, this can also work when someone is looking for green crystal necklace. Now the fourth one could be Korean studded. Oh my god, we have two more products. Korean studded cross pearl stud earring. Let me quickly search the search volume for these products as well. Cross pearl stud earrings. Okay, let me just put in both of these terms in the same. No, I don't like this product, by the way. Yeah, this one is pretty okay. Earring for women. Noops. Stylish butterfly. Quite a difficult name to pronounce. Butterfly air crawler cuff earring. I don't know what the hell this is. Anyways. So, oops. Don't have a search volume for these two ones. Okay, not for this one. Pearl stud earring. What if I type in pearl earring? Oh my god, amazing search volume. 40,500 people are searching for pearl earrings. So now you can see we have good number of searches on different products. I can definitely launch search campaign for all of these products. I guess the campaign can be easily launched from here. So I can simply click on the plus sign, click on new campaign. The most easiest thing for a Google ad account is launching the campaign. We just have to choose the campaign types, then go with search, click on website visit. Here I want people to visit. Okay, so which product do I promote? Okay, so let's say I go with this product. Okay, hold on. So in website, I would like to go with the website link only. Click on continue. Then it's gonna ask for the campaign name. Let's say I name it product st underscore. That's the nomenclature. Product underscore campaign. I'm gonna put my name because I'm gonna control this campaign out of all the people who are working on this account. Click on start new. Okay. Right now, currently I want to focus on clicks only, going with maximize cost per click, putting a limit of let's say 10 rupees to start with. Clicking next, promoting it only on Google search, or excluded search partners and display network. Going with India as a country, I would have gone with Delhi, maybe Noida, Mumbai, but then we have a very limited search volume. That's why it's better to go with the entire country. No, this campaign is not gonna run any EU political ads. Languages, all is fine. Then I click on more settings. Don't have any such settings here. Click on next. Nope. So I don't want to pull up any AI based keywords. So I click on next. If I want to enable it, I can click on this one, which is currently disabled, turn off. So I click on next and go to the next page. Here it asks for the, okay, it's gonna ask me to create the ad copies. I have to give some suggestions. So now I really have to look which product to promote first. I have different products. One of it needs to be promoted. What if I go with, which one shall I go with? The one which is having the most attractive landing page. This one seems pretty okay, I guess. So I can go with this one, oval green crystal pendant necklace set with bracelet. So I can give this URL in the final URL. This has to be the final URL. And I'll be creating groups. So let's say if I have to promote 4 products, I'll be putting 4 products in 4 different groups. Every group would be having the keywords and the ads of that product only. Anyways, so this is it. I click on generate, generating some AI based keywords for this landing page. Already added this landing page in the campaign. Here by itself, it has added couple of images, couple of site links, couple of descriptions, headlines, everything is added. I can just click on edit sign to edit it. Okay. So it says green crystal necklace set, necklace and bracelet set. No. Necklace set for women. No. Gold necklace set for women. No. Oops. Now you can see most of the keywords are not relevant. These are very generic keywords. Gold necklace. First of all, we are not selling gold necklace here. It's artificial necklace, even though it even does not say gold anywhere. So we can write crystal pendant necklace in the keyword. Okay, crystal green crystal necklace set. Okay, I really have to define the keywords now. Green crystal pendant can also be one of the keyword. Okay, pendant or pendant set, both will work. But yeah, this one is set. Set means when people are looking for the combination of products in it. Yep. So I can only go with set, or I can also think about going without the word set here. Pendant. Okay. Crystal pendant necklace. I can write it green crystal pendant necklace. This is going without set. And this one can be green crystal pendant as well. So here I have 4 keywords. Now it's up to me whether I add these keywords in phrase or exact. I don't go with broad usually. So I can simply start with putting them in phrase. But if I have to add them in phrase, okay, let's go with phrase. I'll see what exactly I can do. I'm not really sure of going with the last keyword, green crystal pendant. Okay, I can do one thing. I can go with this last keyword in exact match, because if I go with phrase, this 3-word keyword can attract a lot of searches on it. Anyway, so this is done. Ad copy is perfectly created. It's having the final URL in it. This group name has to be, have I named it? Oops, yeah. So the ad group name has to be oval green crystal pendant. Okay, I can name it green crystal pendant. Pendant. But this is necklace, by the way. Anyway, so this is a set, so that's why it's the combination of necklace and pendant. Anyways, I can simply name this group as this. Okay, here's the ad group. If I want, I can further think about creating another ad group too. Okay, let me just click on go back to all ad groups. This is the ad group. Create an ad group manually. No, I don't want to create an ad group manually. Okay, so let's just launch this group first. Once this one is launched, I can think about launching another group. Next, the ad budget has to be very low right now. I'm just launching it with, let's say, 30 NR. I'll increase the budget after a while. I just want to see how this campaign is going to run. Clicking on next, clicking on confirm to make sure the campaign runs by itself. No, I did think I have to approve some login credentials. Okay, this is approved. Now the campaign can be published from here. Close chat. Okay, it's taking a while, taking its own time. The bidding seems to be in amber. Some warning is appearing. Still checking for the error before the campaign publishes. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so later on, after this campaign is launched, I'll think about launching or adding another groups in the campaign. So I'll not be doing it myself. I'll be adding or giving this task to someone in the team who can create couple of more groups in this campaign. Every group will be having one product, taking people to that product page only. It's going to take a while. Usually it does not take this much. It gets launched quite okay. Okay, it's still in checking the errors for reviews. I don't know how do I save your time if you are looking at this video. I think everything was done correctly. It's still taking, okay. I can click on publish campaign and now the campaign shall get published. Wonderful. So the campaign is published now. Moving forward, I'll start getting some impressions from this campaign and then further I'll be adding couple of more products in this campaign. The idea is to get sales from these products. All right then, bye.